Butterflies don't usually appear when the life is ordinary. They appear before something important. A first date, a job interview, an exam, or a big decision. It's almost as if your body is trying to tell you, pay attention. This moment matters. But why does that message show up in your stomach? And what does it reveal about the incredible connection between our emotions and the health? Think about some of the biggest moments of your life: waiting for exam results, walking into an interview, giving a presentation, meeting someone you really like for the first time, or maybe standing on the edge of a major life decision. Even before anything actually happens, your body begins reacting. Your stomach feels different. You feel restless, maybe a little excited, maybe a little nervous. And somehow, people all over the world describe that feeling the same way. I have butterflies in my stomach. And here's the strange part: nothing has happened yet. The interview hasn't yet started, the person hasn't arrived, the event exists only in your mind. So, why is your body reacting as if something important is already happening? To understand that, we need to understand something fascinating about being human. Most of us think emotions exist only in the minds. But our emotions don't stay in the mind, they affect the entire body. Think about it: when you're embarrassed, your face becomes warm. When you're scared, your heart beats faster. And when you are excited or nervous, your stomach often gets involved. In other words, emotions are not just thoughts, they are full body experiences. Now let's imagine something. Suppose you are about to walk on stage or speak in front of hundreds of people, or you are waiting for a message that someone you really like. Your brain immediately recognizes something important. This matters. The moment your brain decides something matters, your body starts preparing for it. Not because danger is present, but because outcome feels important. And that's when the famous butterflies begin. What's interesting is that butterflies don't only happen during negative situations. Most people associate them with nervousness, but that's only the half story. Think about the situations where you have felt butterflies: a first date, a surprise opportunity, good news, a dream coming true, a special moment you have been waiting for. Many of these experiences are positive, which tells us something important. Butterflies are not just about fear, they are often about anticipation, the feeling that something meaningful is about to happen. And here's where things become really fascinating. Have you ever noticed how excitement and nervousness feel surprisingly similar? A racing heart, restlessness, extra energy, a strange feeling in the stomach. The physical sensations are often almost identical. In fact, many psychologists believe that excitement and nervousness are much closer than we think. Sometimes the difference is simply how we interpret the situation. This is why two people can experience the same event completely differently. One person thinks I am terrified and the other thinks I am excited, yet their bodies may be reacting in almost exactly the same way. Now let's talk about the stomach itself. Why do we feel butterflies there? Why not in the elbows or our knees? Why the stomach? Well, humans have noticed a connection between emotions and the stomach for centuries. Think about some of the expressions that we use: trust your gut, a gut feeling, my stomach drop. It's almost as if we have always known emotions don't stay in the brain. They show up elsewhere too. And the stomach is one of the places where we notice them the most strongly. That's why emotional movements often feel physical. Your body isn't just observing the experiences, it's participating in it. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you're watching a suspense movie, everything seems normal, and suddenly a jump scare appears. For a brief moment, you feel something in your stomach, even though you're perfectly safe, even though you are sitting comfortably at your home. Your body reacts before your logical mind fully catches up. That's how closely connected emotions and physical sensations really are. Now, here's something I find fascinating. Butterflies are often the sign that you care. Think about it. You rarely get butterflies while you are doing something ordinary. You don't get butterflies while you are brushing your teeth. You don't get butterflies while folding the clothes. Butterflies tend to appear when the outcome matters, when there's uncertainty, when something feels emotionally important. In a strange way, butterflies are a proof that you are invested in the movement. They are your body's way of saying this matters to you. And that's why many successful people still experience them. Athletes feel butterflies before competitions. Actors feel them before performances. Musicians feel them before the concerts. Entrepreneurs feel them before a major presentation. Even people who have done something hundreds of times often still experience this feeling. The goal isn't to eliminate the butterflies, the goal is to understand them because they aren't always a sign of weakness. Sometimes they are a sign that you are about to do something meaningful. Let's talk about attraction for a moment because this is where the phrase becomes famous. Have you ever met someone and suddenly felt different? Maybe your thoughts become scattered. Maybe you felt unusually aware of yourself. Maybe your stomach felt strange. It's one of the most common human experiences. And once again, it comes back to importance. Your brain recognizes that this interaction matters to you, and your body responds. That's why attraction often feels physical, not just emotional. It's not about something you think, it's about something you feel. What's even more amazing is that this experience is almost universal. Different countries, different cultures, different languages, different backgrounds, yet people everywhere describe a similar feeling. And that tells us something powerful. Butterflies aren't just a phrase, they are the part of human experience. A reminder that despite all of our differences, our emotions connect us in a remarkably similar ways. So, why do we get butterflies in the stomach? The simple answer is when something feels important, exciting, uncertain, or emotionally meaningful, your body reacts. And one of the places where we notice that reaction most strongly is the stomach. It's a reminder that the mind and body are deeply connected, that the emotions aren't just thoughts floating around your heads, they create real physical experiences. And that's why butterflies are such a beautiful part of being human. They appear before opportunities, before adventures, before love, before growth, before moments that matter. So the next time you feel butterflies in your stomach, don't rush to make them disappear. Pause for a moment because those butterflies may be reminding you that you are about to step into something important. And often, the moments that give us butterflies are the very moments that change our lives. If you enjoyed this video and want more fascinating explanations about health, emotions, and the human mind and everyday experiences, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Digipod.